Hey there, K-Ball here doing a special edition of the Friday Frontend Inspiration. This one coming to you live from JS Conference US. I'm in beautiful sunny San Diego at the Omni La Costa Resort where I've been attending JS Conf this week. And what I'm super pumped on coming off of this, well, there's two things. One is just this incredible community that this conference has and what it's doing, and I want to talk about that a little more in a sec. But the other thing is Nodebots. So I had the opportunity as a part of the conference to participate in a workshop where we were literally programming little robots that are running Node.js inside their board. So we're writing JavaScript code that is lighting up LEDs and spinning motors that can move things around, and there were folks doing Nodeboats where they programmed boats to move around, custom people doing Nodecopters with drones and all sorts of other stuff. So super cool. I'm super excited. Johnny-Five, a JavaScript based robotics framework, just released 1.0 at the conference. So it's super accessible to those of us in the web dev world who are doing stuff in JavaScript and want to tinker around with something real and physical. It was really a trip and really awesome. So that really got me pumped. The other thing I want to talk about briefly is just what JS Conf has done to make this conference very inviting and fun and welcome and unique. And part of that is they've used sponsor dollars in a unique way. So they actually got a sponsor, Twilio, to sponsor childcare so that conference attendees can have childcare, so that it's accessible to folks who might otherwise not be able to come, or where the cost of procuring childcare to be at a conference would be exorbitant. There's also been all sorts of amazing things for attendees. There was late night campfires with custom s'mores that Shopify sponsored. There's there was a crazy party the first night with a climbing wall and a mechanical bull that I think it was Google Cloud. So they've really done some interesting things utilizing all the sponsors in the tech industry to not just fund a basic conference, but to provide something that is unique, accessible to all sorts of different types of people, provides amazing stuff. The workshops with the Nodebots, that was super cool. That was sponsored by Boku, who has the main developer behind Johnny-Five, works there. All sorts of cool stuff. They even had some crazy events. So I was doing Nodebots, but some people at the same time were going and doing surfing lessons because we're in San Diego after all, or they were going on sea-kayaking and going through caves. It's just very unique and amazing. So JS Conf US, super cool. There's gonna be another one next year, and you should definitely come to it. It's got me super fired up about the JavaScript world. Other than that, down below you'll find our usual links to the newsletter, 15 links coming out. I'll have a link to the Johnny-Five blog post announcement, so if you're interested in checking out robotic stuff and things like that, definitely check that out. And if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, there should be a link right up over here. I'm reversed from where I normally am when I'm taking it up here. There'll be a link to the YouTube channel, so subscribe. With that, have a great week, have a great Friday, enjoy the links down below, and I'll talk to you later. This is K-Ball signing out.